June 10th. Welcome to Wisconsin. We just crossed the bridge from Minnesota to Wisconsin. It was a cool bridge. Didn't get footage of it, sorry. We're gonna go kayaking, which I'm very excited about. We're gonna work out those little muscles. It's gonna be fun. So we're gonna go kayaking on the greatest lake in the world. How cool does that sound? I'm super excited. We are hoping for a smooth kayaking session, like not too much wave, like big waves and all that. But we'll see. Again, as you can see, it's a gorgeous day. We've been so blessed with the weather. It's like just wonderful. So see you at the kayaking place. So for zip, what was it for zip lining? Yeah, for zip lining, I tried a new way of using my GoPro. For kayaking, I'm gonna try this way, hoping we're gonna get some good footage. I'm becoming a professional. Puppy! Hi, puppy! Hello! Hi! Alright, people, as you can see, we put some suits on, so it's way warmer. But I'm gonna put my sweater on and it's gonna be fine. It should be a little breezy, so we're ready. Let's go! Alright, people, we are at Meyer Beach. Myers Beach. We're already, as you can see, and we're about to go kayaking. I have my GoPro ready. This is exciting. It's a gorgeous day, perfect temperature, a little breeze. I think we're gonna have a beautiful ride. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna have a six-pack at the end of the day.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be so ripped. Shoulders are gonna be jagged.
Nice.
Abs are gonna be jagged.
Nice. Love it.
So right now we're paddling on the biggest lake in the world. I think that's pretty fancy. We just went about a mile, but the whole lake is about 31,000 square miles. I don't know what that would be in kilometers.
It's alright. It's alright.
Around your brain.
Oh, thank you.
But yeah, so it's a big lake. It holds about 10% of the world's fresh surface water, which is pretty fascinating. If you added all the other Great Lakes and put it in here, it wouldn't even compare. So right now we're going to be going through some sandstone. It's called the Devil's Island sandstone. But the beginning of the lake is much older than the sandstone that we're looking at right now. Does anybody have a guess on how old the beginning of the formation of Lake Superior is?
2 billion.
That's honestly one of the better guesses that I normally get.
What did you say? 2 billion?
Yeah.
It's 1.1 billion.
Ah.
You're close. Yeah. I mean, most of the time people say like 100,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1.1 billion years ago.
Wow.
Wisconsin, where we're at right now, would have been near the equator. And there was an event called the Mid-Continent Rift. So North America was splitting apart by plate tectonics. And then if you've ever seen basalt, the most common lava rock out there, it's all the way on the North Shore. It's way below us right now. That was spewing up and coming up. And then eventually that event stopped. Then the lava rock cooled down and drooped down to form a little bit of a bowl shape. Or imagine like the hull of your kayak came down and it swooped up like this. Cool. It's all the way in the Keweenaw Peninsula. It's on Isle Royale. It's on the North Shore. So it goes like a big U under Lake Superior. It's just compressed sand, so it's a pretty porous rock. Water can get into it pretty easily. It gets in there, and then when it freezes, water expands, it breaks apart the rock, and then the waves come in and rinse it out. So most of the cave formation comes from the freeze and thaw cycles that we experience, instead of just the wave action. Not that the waves don't do anything, but there's the weathering, which is the freezing and thawing, and then the erosion, which is the waves breaking them out.
Oh my. Yo! Oh wow, wow, so cool! Nice. Wow. Wow. So cool! So pretty! Wow!
That is over there.
No?
The island over there. It's called Eagle Island.
But there are black bears on it!
I don't think on that one there is.
Oh.
It's a bird sanctuary, so people aren't allowed to go onto it.
That's amazing!
Yeah. Yeah, it's the second smallest of the islands too.
Oh. So it's completely natural.
Yep.
Amazing!
Oh yeah.
Wow. Whoa. Man, you did an awesome job.
Oh yeah.
So cool. Seriously.
Most beautiful spot on the face of the planet for sure. When there wasn't no multicellular life, when the sand was deposited, so the only fossils we have are the ripple marks.
Oh.
So there'll be points where we can see the bottom of the lake, and you can see the ripple marks from the lake, and then you can look up and see the ancient ripple marks from the sea that we would have ended up, paddling on. So we're under a seabed right now.
Wow. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too.
But you know what they say? You don't know until you don't try.
That's right.
What? Do you have any French slang that I should know?
Oh, I don't know. I don't speak French well, honestly.
Oh, really? Okay.
I mean, I'm French, but
Yeah.
I'm just losing it, so. So effing cool. Oh, nice. I have to see it. Nice. Alright guys, that's it for the kayaking. As you saw, I hope we'll see later. It was amazing, going through the caves and all. We had like a bit of wave in the beginning, but the wave back was just smooth. I loved it. I have you myself, as you can see. And yeah, I'm gonna put every kind of like information if you want to check this particular the company out. Yeah, it was great. Now we're gonna go get lunch. I'm starving. Let's go. We are in a state park called something, and it's in Wisconsin, and it's like right here, called Big Manitou Falls, and it is the tallest waterfall in Wisconsin. So we've seen the tallest waterfall in Minnesota, and now we're gonna see the tallest waterfall in Wisconsin. I'm getting you good footage, guys, okay? Enjoy! I've been craving forever, and that is a creamy apple coleslaw. And you got the white fish sandwich. Yeah, it looks good too. I've been craving it for so long. Wow. Oh my god. Yeah.
It's okay.
Little update. We are back. Oh, that is cool. Nice. We're back from the kayaking and the hiking and the lunch, which was delicious. We're on our way to Gooseberry Falls. That would be our last hike of the day, and I think of the trip actually. Do we have a hike tomorrow?
Let's take for the North Shore.
Okay. Last hike from the North Shore, and actually it's our last time driving up the North Shore. Right now, as you can see, the beautiful lake. So we're taking all in, you know, the views, everything. And yeah, it's gonna be our last night at the hostel too, which I don't know if I've mentioned it so far, but it's a cool place that, you know, same, I'm gonna link down below the place and all that if you want to stay there. It's a really cool place. So we haven't really checked out anything else besides the kitchen area and the room where we sleep, but it's pretty cool. I sleep really well, so it's great. That's it. We'll see you at the falls. Alright guys, can you hear the difference? How louder it is? Wow, that's pretty amazing. I mean, yeah, definitely, but it's super warm. FTE, FrenchTastic Explorations. Okay guys, I found the tiniest waterfall ever. A beaver was here one day. Come on, I'm gonna talk. As you can see, people, this is a very easy hike with beautiful sights. The trail has been made very easy to walk on, so I think everyone can do it. So let's go. actually we can. This is a 1,000-foot ship that is gonna arrive at 10 p.m. today, which is like a little less than an hour. It's like pretty far away. It's gonna do that ooh long and then come here and ooh and then make a lot of noise and then poo and nearby. Another great day. I cannot believe how much we did during this day. Most of it was in Wisconsin and not in actual Minnesota, but it's still amazing to be around and even on Lake Superior. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you next Wednesday for the very last video of my Minnesota explorations. I cannot believe it's coming to an end. It's very exciting what we did the last day. We saw some bears and wolves. You're gonna see that. It was super cool. I hope you enjoyed it. As usual, every places is linked down below in the description box if you want to check out the restaurants or the places we've been to. If you happen to want to kayak on Lake Superior, you should definitely do that with Lost Creek Adventures. They are amazing. We learned so much during this tour. It was not just about kayaking around and going under the caves and all that. It was also learning about the geology, the history and all that, and that was just so cool. Everything is linked down below, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next Wednesday. Bye.